Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I want to talk about the immune system. The immune system is the system in our body that helps us to fight diseases and infections. There are different levels of fight. There are the ones that are in our body, like the white blood cell in our body, and the lymph node, that's the lymphatic system. The lymphatic system produces the antibodies that help fight infections and diseases. But before it gets to white blood cell and the lymphatic system, we have the first line of protection, which is our mouth, our skin, the nose, and the stomach acid. Sometimes you might eat something that maybe that has a pathogen in it. So you might eat some kind of food exposed, and pathogens are introduced to it and you're not aware. When you eat, the stomach acid in your body will attempt to fight it and break it down, and then you just put it out. But sometimes that is not the case. Then the body starts to the white blood cells become high. That is when someone has a sickness that is going on in the body, if they run a blood test, the white blood cells are always elevated because the body is trying to fight something that is new to it. And then the lymphatic system, that's the lymph nodes, they produce antibodies that help fight these diseases. That is why when someone falls sick with something the first time, and the body has already seen that, they produce antibodies to it. So if that thing is introduced again in the body, the person might react to it, but not as before. So because the body has already developed antibodies for it, when it comes in the body again, the person might not really get the same reaction from the body like before. So that is the lymphatic system trying to protect the body from diseases and infections. But before it gets to the white blood cells and then the lymphatic system, washing our hands can really be of a very good importance for protecting our body from diseases. You know how you sing A B C D E F D to Z, like the nursery rhyme? It takes like 20 seconds, and that 20 seconds is the amount of time you're expected to wash your hand. To wash your hand to an extent to reduce the pathogens in your hands. I've had an experience where they asked us to wash our hands in nursing school and then take it under a microscope. Even though we washed our hands for 20 minutes, there were still particles in it, but washing our hands has already reduced it. We looked at it before we washed it, and we looked at it after we washed it. So washing your hands can actually protect you from a lot of pathogens that would have entered your body and triggered the white blood cell fighting, or the lymph nodes rushing and producing antibodies to protect your body. I hope this information helps you. Share, like, and make your comments, and we'll get back to you if you have any questions that need answers. Thank you.